This is the brief on the recent cartel drone attack targeting government facilities in Tijuana. So, check this out. On October 15th, 2025, right? Commercial-style drones just dropped homemade charges straight into the courtyard of the state prosecutor's anti-kidnapping unit. This was in Playas de Tijuana, literally blocks from the US border. Yeah. This whole thing, it's a really big deal because it shows a seriously dangerous evolution in how organized crime operates now. Okay, first takeaway. This attack wasn't random. It shows a major tactical shift. We're talking cartels using regular, off-the-shelf drones to drop explosives. Pretty precisely, actually. It proves they can pull off these complex, coordinated hits on key government spots, even in broad daylight. Second, the reaction was fast. The US Consulate didn't waste any time. Boom, security alert out for Americans nearby. You know, this thing is a huge headache now. Officials are basically expecting copycats in other border cities, so they're scrambling, planning stuff like tougher security walls and even drone jamming around justice buildings. And finally, think about this. Multiple explosions, but zero casualties. Huh. Authorities are reading this as pure messaging, like a warning shot, you know? It suggests the main point wasn't mass harm, but more about pushing back, maybe retaliation against the government's crackdown. Still, the precision they showed, can't ignore that, especially this time. Look, using drones with explosives, this signals a whole new, kind of scary chapter for border security challenges.